Take a ride in the 2022 F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, tow hitch, hill descent control, electronic stability control, trailer brake controller, remote engine start, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, child safety locks, tachometer, power steering. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.